Right. Um, okay. 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 Right. Hey, yazi lento le engizoyifundisa namuhla. Sengenza iphutha. Angiyinikanga ithuba lokuyi-practice. Ngayigcina kudala ukuyenza. Kodwa-ke ayikho inkinga. Right. Ayikho inkinga. Okay. So, check-a la. So, okay. Ake sithi ngizothini? Une-website yakho, ne? Njengoba sasixoxile, usuyikhandile i-website yakho. Uma uyikhanda, ngicela uku-check-a la. Ngithola ama-message athini. Abalulekile na akho umuntu o-message egruphini. Right. Une-website yakho, usuyikhandile. So, i-website yakho, uma umuntu ethi ucela ukuyibona, for an example, angeke uthathe le link le la phezulu uthi uyamsherishela, right? Okwesibili, uma ngiqhathanisa la-ke sithi nawu Facebook, umuntu methi ngicela ukubona iprofile yakho yaka-Facebook, for example, angithi uya-ke wenza into ekanje, mhlawumbe uma ku-Facebook kwiprofile yakho, mhlawumbe uyayibona iprofile yomuntu noma uyayibona ipost yomuntu, right? Uyayibona ipost yomuntu and then uyakuthatha ilink le uyikopishe, copy ilink mase uyayisherisha ngendlela oyisherisha ngayo. So similar to YouTube, ku-YouTube wakho, right? Uyangena ku-YouTube, ubona noma yiphi ividiyo oyithandayo, mhlawumbe ungathi mhlawumbe news. Uma uthi news, mhlawumbe nazi iy'ndaba ngisibonela ngiqondile ukubuka iy'ndaba, but yonke into noma i-resource noma yini esuke ikwi-browser yakho ine-link yayo, nayo la. I'm sure sesi-understand i-link le ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Uma sibuyela kancane mhlawumbe emuva mhlawumbe ku-tutorial 6, sibuke la u-index wethu, angithi bengikwazi ukuklikha la ngithi pages nakho kuyashintsha la phezulu. So ku-referencer ama-files enginawo la kwi-computer yami mase ngibona ama-page ngokuhlukahluka. Siyakukhumbula lokho? Nisekhona?
Yebo, sikhona.
Ngicela nje kule session kube ngithi inkulumo mpikiswano, kodwa nje ngicela nibe responsive. Angizukuvele ngikhulume nje ngiqede. Ngifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi sonke i-step engisenzayo umuntu uyas-understand, right? So njengamanje ngiyachaza ngithi i-website yakho usuke unama-files athile or ama-resources osuke uwakhombisa umuntu uma connecta nge-browser ethi cela uyongilandela ifile ethile, and then lawo ma-resources akho you point it to i-computer, for example, na i-computer yakho under i-folder yami u-users bani kuwe kuzothi bani Windows bonisiwe, kodwa kukhomba i-folder yakho ne-folder yakho yomsebenzi nefile yakho. Most of the time i-page lokuqala u-index. So similar nala Facebook page wethu nangu-Facebook wethu sesimenzile, kodwa ukwi-computer yami, right? I-computer yami ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngoba i-connected kwi-internet i-computer yami inalento ekuthiwa i-public IP, u-IP umele internet protocol. U-public IP usho ukuthi indlela ngoba i-computer yami i-connected kwi-internet, ukuze amanye amakhompyutha ayibone ukuthi khona yaziwa ngale IP, kuze kuthiwa i-IP address, kusho yaziwa ngale address. So njengawe uma ngithi mina uhlalaphi, ngihlangana nawe edrobheni, uzothi kimi ngihlala mhlambe edukuduku. Kuphi nedukuduku? Ngihlala eKhayelitsha. Kuphi neKhayelitsha? Ngihlala e-D1. Kuphi ne-D1? ngaseBakhwanazini esitolo. Kuphi ngaseBakhwanazini? Ungazi usho ukuthi ngasePhindini. Kuphi ngasePhindini? Khona izindlu ey'la ngaphezulu ePhindini ey'bomvu, uzobe usufikile kimi. So ngokunginika i-address yakho, ngihamba ngize ngiyofika lapho ohlala khona, right? So amakhompyutha-ke ayazi kanjani leyo information? Ayazi ngokuthi ikhompyutha nekhompyutha iba nento ekuthiwa i-public IP address. Mase leyo public IP address ikhompyutha iyayi-broadcaster ku-internet. Nkathi i-connect ikhompyutha ku-internet, iba ne-public IP address enikwa yona, kuthiwa wena usuzoba usibanibani, nayi i-address yakho. Usibanibani nosibanibani ufuna uku-communicate nawe, uzoyisebenzisela i-address. Okay. Lokhu communicate engikhuluma ngakho kuyinto ekanjani, awuku-understand ukuthi kuyinto kanjani. Ngiyacabanga uyayibuza. Ikhompyutha yakho processor, i-CPU, i-memory, u-RAM, lokhu kuthiwa u-RAM, kube hard drive. So i-processor lapho kubhalwe khona i-code eyi-logic, iyabala lento, iyabala 1 2 3, kuzoba i-memory, ibambe i-information ethile isikhashana, wenze something ngalo information, mase uyayidelete leyo information. Kuzoba i-storage, futhi ugcina i-information for isikhathi eside, u-hard drive. That is what makes up i-computer. I-mouse akusiyo i-computer. I-keyboard, ngisho kuthiwa i-laptop yakho akusiyo i-computer. Into eyi-computer yini? I-motherboard. Leke nithi ni-motherboard esuke inalezi zinto ey'ntathu. Right. Okay. I-screen sekhompyutha yakho akusiyo i-computer. Kubizwa ngani? Nge-periphery. Suthi into esuke ixhunyiwe. Lento ngingayifanisa nani? Ngithi mina imoto yakho ubiyona kusuke kuyi-injini no-gearbox namasondo ne-steering. Ngingakhipha iy'valo, ngikhiphe in, ngikhiphe i-radio, ngikhiphe in, that is not my car. Ngisenayo imoto, ngiyakwazi ukusuka from point A ngiye ku-point B. Uma mina ngine-steering wheel, amasondo, engine no-gearbox, imoto yami iyakwazi ukuhamba iye phambili, right? So similar to i-computer. So i-computer misi i-connected kwi-internet, izinto isikhathi esiningi ey'suke y'funa ukuxhumana nayo zisuke zinganendaba ne-screen. Anginendaba ne-screen, anginendaba ne-mouse, anginendaba ne-keyboard. Ngisuke ngi-interested kwi-information ekule hard drive noma ekule memory le bengisho u-RAM. So i-CPU noma i-motherboard noma i-logic lesuke ikhande kwikhompyutha yakho yiyo elalela noma yini exhunywa. I-motherboard yona eyamukela i-information, eyamukela izinto ey'xhunywayo. U-USB, ufaka i-USB, ufaka i-memory card, uxhuma i-screen, ufaka i-mouse, ufaka i-keyboard. Iyona eyamukela le-information, uthi le-information lezi zinto iyona eyamukela lezi zinto. Mase ku-transfer information, kathi uchofa i-button kusendeka information kwi-motherboard, i-interpret i-motherboard ithi oh uchofe u-A. Ngoba echofa u-A, mekuthi kuxhunywa i-screen, futhi akubhaleke u-A kwi-screen, provided i-screen sakho naso sivule i-app ekwazi ukuthatha ama-letters mowa-type. So for example, uma uyivulele i-app yokudlala music, utype u-A, awusho lutho u-A. So le app yo-music ayilalele, ayiyanga kwi-motherboard, yathi motherboard, uma kuvulwe mina umuntu umechofa u-A, ngicela ukuthi unginike leyo information mase ngenza something. So leyo app ayikhandelwanga ukuthi ilalele lokho. Themba ukuthi sesithombeni esisodwa. So i-motherboard iyakwazi futhi ukulalela for i-information. Angithi ungizwile ngithe iyalalela kwi-port, ufake i-mouse, ufake i-keyboard, ufake i-screen, usharishe information, ukhipha fake information, bayatshelana. Khona enye indlela yokufaka information njengo-USB, universal serial bus, USB transfer information yefile yakho kunengoma, kuya-transfer information. Kuzoba khona enye ukuwukuthi or lapho suku connected khona lezi zinto kuthiwa i-port. So i-motherboard isuke inama-ports, but there's also ports abakhona e-network noma e-internet noma e-network connection. So njengoba usukwazi ukufaka i-ethernet cable kwikhompyutha yakho, futhi ukuthi wena kwikhompyutha yakho akutransfer-ke information kuphi ngale ethernet cable. So ngiyakwazi ukuthatha i-ethernet cable ngiyixhume kule khompyutha yami, ngiyixhume nakwikhompyutha yakho. Sengithi manje akutransfer-ke information between lama computer ayi-2. Right. Present yet. Right. So ngiyakwazi sherisha information between ama-computer ama-2. Ngifake i-ethernet cable ngapha, ngifake i-ethernet cable ngapha. So ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngitransfer i-file njenge-music through i-ethernet cable. Njengoba kufana futhi ukuthi ngifike ngifake i-USB kwikhompyutha A, ngifake ingoma, ngiyithathe i-USB ngiyifake kwikhompyutha yesibili. So uya-eliminate leyo process yokuthi uqale ufake ustorishe uphinde ufake ithathe kabusha. Ngenkathi ufake i-ethernet cable usukuthi wena same time information ayi-transfer-ke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sisesithombeni esisodwa ngalokho. Alright. So yase internet ya-evolve kwase kuthiwa so for example, one of the things engikwazi ukuyi-transfer noma engikwazi ukuyisharisha between ama-computer uma ngisebenzisa i-ethernet cable, it is HTML files, right? So shuthi uma ngikwazi ukusharisha i-file ya-music, then I can also share i-HTML file. So umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi kule computer ngapha abuze le computer exhunywe kuyo ethi ngicela unginike i-file ku-folder sibani bani. Mase le computer iyathumela cheers, le computer iyathumela ngapha ukuthi awunayo i-index file. So i-information is shared across. Ngifaka i-ethernet cable ngapha, ufaka i-ethernet cable ngapha. Okay. Mase kuthi i-internet njengoba ngangichazile ukuconnecteka kwama-computer worldwide, ingakho kuthiwa World Wide Web. So kufana nokuthi ngithatha ikhebuli ngayifaka kule computer, ngathatha ikhebuli ngayihambisa ngayofaka kwikhompyutha ephesheya, even eMelika noma ise-India noma ikuphi. Ngase ngithi cela wena computer unginike ifile ya-HTML. Mase leya file iya-transfer-ka between ama-cable kuzovele kwikhompyutha yami. Right. I-internet ilawo ma-cable lawo. Ngisho ngahamba yogooglisha kunama-cable amakhulu amangaka angaphansi kolwandle, amanzini ahambe ebekwa asuka ko-Europe, asuke e-America, umhlaba wonke uconnected ngalama-cable ahamba ngaphansi kwamanzi olwandle. Uma kuwukuthi indaba yayilalela, fane ngabe uzwile ukuthi eDubai uma ngaphosisi khona izwe like laba nenkinga internet uthi bidani ngathi bekuyi-Dubai, kune-cable elimele. So i-cable milimala baya-disrupt-eka basakwazi ukuba ne-internet, but kusuke ku-connect. Okay, yahamba i-evolve i-technology, yasithi technology cha, kuze umuntu engalokho ehamba nentambo, ayibe yodwa intambo engena la endlini ilethe i-internet, ibeke lapho odongweni, ifake kwi-router. Mase i-router i-broadcaster in-network, and then i-computer yami izoyi-pick up leyo network, i-communicate wirelessly. So the same thing obukwazi ukuyenza ngokufaka intambo kwi-computer to computer, usuyenza manje wirelessly. So that means still ngiyakwazi ukuconnecta kwi-internet wirelessly, information yami ihambe emoyeni ingene kwintambo, ngihambe ngiye kwi-computer ethile, ngithi mina cela wena computer ungiphi ifile ethile yaka-HTML. Okay, sengibuyela-ke back to into ebengiqale ngayo. Leyo file leyo noma le computer ngithi uhambe uyocela kuyi-file, uyazi kanjani? Ngithe uyazi nge-IP address. Right. Sengizosharisha i-screen sami-ke. So if uyazi nge-IP address, so that into engikushoyo ukuthi mina fanele ibe khona indlela yokuthi wena lapho khona uma ngikunike i-IP address ye-computer yami, ngithi public IP address. What is my IP address? Unique internet facing identifier assigned by internet. Yabona uningi abakuchaza ukudida. Outside facing, public facing IP address to your router by your internet service provider. So i-address esuke outside uthi noma yini ezama ukuconnecta la endlini, uma ifika ithola ukuthi nayi address okufanele ngabe uze kuyo mekuthi uza la endlini. Njengoba nami la office mekufika umuntu ethi ngizodeliver into kusibani bani. Uma lelo gama ngingalazi noma futhi anginendaba negama, anginendaba ne-package, umbuzo oqala engizombuza wona ukuthi bathe uye room number ba, uzobe sesho ukuthi i-address ithena ngizoya kule building ngiye e-room number 502, ngithi mina cha la ku-501, angeke ngamukela iphasela elingadirecthwanga ku-501. So i-IP address ileyo nto for ikhompyutha yami. So mengithi what is my public IP address, nayi website ekwazi ukungisiza ngalokho, ithi what is my IP igama la, so ithi detecting, nayi address yami, iyangisho nanokuthi ngikuphi, bayasho my IP location information na Western Cape, what ASN time zone. So okusho ukuthi noma yiphi ikhompyutha engicommunicate nayo kumele yazi mengithe icela unginika ama-file HTML, kumele ikwazi ukubuyisa lawo ma-files HTML iwabuyise kumina. Yazi ngani? Yazi ngalo IP address. Okay, so le IP address kunzima ukuthi mina nawe siyikhumbule, wazi ukuthi uma uyisave la ke sithi uyisavile efonini yakho, kufana nokusave inamba yami. Inamba yami efonini yakho awuyishiyi inamba kuphela, uyalibhala igama ukuthi le ekasikhumbuzo. Baningi osikhumbuzo, uzothi lowa kwaMatini, yabo. Kuyinto kanjalo ukuthi le namba akulula ukuthi siyikhumbule, kodwa yona khona ekushoyo. Njengoba uma udayila inamba uthi ufonela umuntu, internet inangizani, i-network provider yakho yefoni iyayibuka le namba yakho, ihambe iyobuza, noma iyazi ukuthi inamba yakho Vodacom le ngoba u0 bani bani, iye it's 072, shuthi uVodacom, iye kwa Vodacom ithi hey Vodacom, nanga umuntu ezama ukufonela u072 bani bani, bathi ku Vodacom ethi ukhona usibani bani oyileyo nombolo, asimroute adlule yingakho ifoni uma ufoni iqale ime, masiyaringa siyaringa kodwa iqala ithule ngoba isacinga ukuthi ubalo. Okay, abantu-ke baba-smart-ke ku-internet bathi cha, siya-understand ukuthi ama-computer ukuze understandane adinga lezi inombolo ekuthiwa ama-IP ukuze azane ukuthi information ihambe. Thina singabantu akulula ukuthi sikhumbule le nombolo le, ngeke ngilokhu ngikhumbula le nombolo. So mina umuntu befuna lama-file lawa kwikhompyutha yami ukuthi ngizolokhu ngimnika le namba le, akuzukusiza ngoba ayikhumbuleki kalula. Mengikhumbule wrong kuzoba inkinga, right? Okay, theory kakhulu into ade ngiyichaza. So sasithi-ke kunento ekuthiwa i-domain name ngizothi menginayo ngithi wena domain name ngulamanise nale address, ngithi wena uhlukana nale address, ni into eyodwa kanje, ukuthi umuntu une-address noma une-domain name kuyafana, internet ikubona kuyinto eyodwa lokho. I-domain name uthi mase ngiyithenga-ke mase ngiyayimixa, ngiyimatanise nale namba, ngale nje ukuthi umuntu mase fika ethinta i-domain name yami ethi www.sibanibani, ikhompyutha thizeni izothatha le domain name ithi www.sibanibani konje usave kuphi. So kune directory domain name service noma domain name resolver, ifana nefoni yakho njengoba usave amagama i-contact list, yona internet akhona all over the world, aya-storage information efanayo onke, ukuthi i-address ethile ihambisana ne-domain name ethile, address ethile ihambisana ne-domain name ethile, bakustorishile konke lokho, right? Sekulula ukuthi umuntu uma ufuna a-access ikhompyutha yakho, athole ama-files noma access ikhompyutha yakho ngendlela thizeni, umnika wena address, useyazi ukuthi kube lula, right? Okay, theory again. So asiqale lana-ke. Istep sokuqala, ngenxa yokuthi ikhompyutha yami ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyinkathi ngibuye ngiyicime, ukusho ukuthi nomina i-address, umuntu uzokuthi ngiyinkathi uyangithinta ethi ufuna ucela le file le ku-index, ngingakwazi ukumnika, ikhompyutha yami ingakwazi ukumnika ngoba ayisaconnectanga ku-internet, isi-disconnectile. Njabulo ngikwi-Wi-Fi, i-Wi-Fi yami iqinisa ukuthi sengidisconnectile ku-internet, I'm no longer connected to internet. Ngifana nomuntu okhiphile i-ethernet cable, so there is no longer a connection between me namanye amakhompyutha. Okungcono angenze njani? angithole umuntu ozothi yena mina ngizokudayisela iservice yokuthi ngizohlezi ngine-computer e-online, wena ukhokhele i-uptime, ukhokhele ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi i-computer le uma ubeka ama-files akho umuntu ngaso sonke isikhathi uzowathola, right? So that is where amalokhunja come in. Hosting provider, uyezwa hosting, uma uyi-host uvakashelwa abantu shuthi uwena muntu olinde ukuthi abantu beze bezothatha izinto, uyi-host, yabo. So uwena umuntu wamukela abantu, so uyakwazi ukuyothenga i-hosting kwi-provider ukuthi ngicela ungihostele na ama-file ami, ngenzela ukuthi abantu mebefika bewathole kuwe, ngoba wena uzohlezi u-available, open 24/7. Kanti mina i-computer yami ngiphelelwe idatha mekuthi ngikhonekte kwi-modem, noma kokwenzeka kube ne-load shedding, ku-disconnect, noma kokwenzeka kuphela i-battery, kuhamba ugesi, abantu abasakwazi ukungithola kwi-website yami. Sekunento ekuthiwa yini? I-hosting. Nakhona i-hosting, abantu abathenga amakhompyutha amaningi, bawabeka endlini ethile, babe nabantu be-IT abagadela amakhompyutha, benze sure ukuthi akhuli, ayarana ngaso sonke isikhathi, a-connected to internet, bebe nama-backup, babe nama-generator, amakhompyutha nje abanawo, banama-motherboard amaningi nama-drive amaningi. Then they provide you i-service ukuthi uma ufuna ukuthenga i-space sokuthi ubeke ifile yakho, mase umuntu yakwazi ukuxhumana nathi ukuze athole ama-file, si-available. So akhona ama-website enza lokho, njengalo Host Africa web hosting from 99 rand a month, right? Angifuni ukuspenda le mali, anginayo, right? Okay. Khona enye i-service e-provider i-hosting for free. Uma ngingakuphosisi u-GitHub Pages uya-provider i-hosting, ngoba vele wona unama-servers awo, so uyakwazi ukuthi ama-file usuke waphushe kubo ukuthi abakubekele wona, bakwazi ukuthi uma uthanda ukuthi wena ngifuna aba-accessible public, njengoba benginisendela i-link aba-accessible, futhi uyakwazi ukuthi sengifuna aba-accessible as i-website, so bayakwazi ukuprovide i-hosting e-free. Okay. Okay. Creating a GitHub Pages site. So i-service abayidayisayo kuthiwa u-GitHub Pages. So learn how to create a website directly from your repository on GitHub. Explore website building tools like whatever. Okay, anginendaba nalokho. So u-GitHub uyangi-alawisha ukuthi ama-files ngiwaphushe ebekubo kuma-computer abo. Uma esekumakhompyutha abo ngikwazi ukuthi umuntu ewa-access njengoba kade ngichazile, njengoba ngihlezi nginisendela amalinki, ngiphinde futhi ifile yami ngino-index.html ngi-allow umuntu ukuthi abone i-website version of ama-file ami. Okay. Creating a GitHub Pages. So bathi-ke uma ufuna ukuyikhanda, you use a new or existing repository, available, free, whatever, bayasho, creating a repository for your site. Konke-ke lokhu sekukuningi, wena mhlawumbe uzodideka. So kodwa into kumele uyazi lokuthi u-GitHub uyakwazi ukuba nama-files akho, mese nama-files akho instruct ukuthi cela ungipresentele ama-files ami as i-website. So ngizocela ukwenza kanje, ngizoqale set-up mina eyami i-account, nginikhombise ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani, because inkinga ngiskip i-step manje la sokuset up u-Git for ukuphusha i-code yakhe yo-GitHub. Ngizoqale mina ngiset up i-website yami ngalama-files ade sisebenza ngawo, ngithenge i-domain name, mase ngiyakulinka ku-2, mase ngiyakushare ukuze ubone ukuthi what's possible, and then sothi mase siqhubeka-ke mase ngiyakhombisa ukuthi how to get to those steps. Ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyasiza sometimes ukwenza i-demo umuntu abone what's the end result, ukuze mase ethi uyenza abone ukuthi yini e-possible. So ngizozama la u-GitHub, ama-documentation abo la ngiyavala la nayi website yami ngizothi GitHub. Okay, thi sign in ngoba nginayo i-account nabo. Ngoba nginayo i-account nabo la ngizothi sign in, ngizothi password ngiyayikhohlwa, ngi-log in with Google. Uma ngaphosa sifana ngabe abanankinga uma ngithi log in with Google. gmail.com. Okay, ngiyakwazi ukuskena ngefoni yami la. Technology siyenza izinto zalula. Ngiphike manje nento leyo. Umuntu uyeka. Okay. Sengiyaskena just ukuthi ngilogine safe. But nje you can log in email and password, akumele uze wenze njengami exactly. But njengamanje ngiskene ngefoni yami ukuze ngiloge in ngaphandle ukuthi ngifake i-password, into engayiset up nangu ungayisetha ngelinye ilanga. So continue yangicela la. Link account. Okay. So ngaset up i-2-factor authentication ukuze ngibe safe. Ezinye zezinto kumele nijwayele ukuzenza kumele ninama-account maningi ama-scams la ngaphandle, baningi abantu abafuna uku-access ama-account akho. Kumele ngaso sonke isikhathi uconfirme ukuthi uwe. Ungavumi abantu bekufonele bethi sicela usinike i-code ethile, basuke befuna ukuloga in kwinto yakho uma uset up i-protection, even ngisho i-bank ungabe ukuvumela lokho. So mina nginga-set up i-protection la 5840955 ngiyenzela ukuthi ngibe as safe as possible, right? So sengingenile kwilokhunja yami. So athi ngibuke-ke la bathini la, bathi-ke create. Okay, it's fine. Use your own to select account. It's fine. Choose a repository. README, creating your site. Decide which publishing source. Publishing for Acquisa pages. Create an entry file. Okay, if there is a branch you follow the top level, that's fine. Configure a publishing source for your website. Okay, can configure. It's fine. Bias or publishing a branch. Code settings. Drop down. Code automation, build and deployment, branch, troubleshoot. Okay. So ngibuye-ke la. Bathi angize la ku settings. Anti nangu NLA wami lo. Na ama-folder ami, ama-files ami niyakhumbula. Na ama-files ami onke. Na ama-files ami onke. Ngicine ngenze u-tutorial 931 angithi. Nangu tutorial 31. So uma ngena la nayo ifile yami index. Njengamanje mengiyibuka i-code kuphela engiyibonayo. Okay. So bathi angiye ku settings. Ngiye kubani? General is fine. Require default branch. But after that, phela ngenzeka ukuthi la danger zone, transfer archive. So lesibuke bathena angenze njani? Settings, select, click settings, code and automation of the sidebar. Click pages in the code and automation. Code and automation la. Ngingambona ezinye izinto ziyashintsha. General settings, that session la. Code. Oh, nangu code and automation yimi ngiblind. But under code and automation, in the code, under build and deployment. So I think session for the little page to build. Build. Actions. General. artifacts, files, webhook, copilot, environments, article checker, self repository. Okay, angiboni ngathi inkinga yami le project under i-enterprise, so I think maybe bafuna kube a personal project. Let me check. Enterprise repo. Oh, ngenzini the enterprise repo git hub pages. Enterprise. Okay, bayakuvuma must be under organization. Hey. Code and automation tags, rules, actions, general, check allow actions, artifact and log retention, workspace for runners, models. Okay, in the Lula pages. Nangu pages. As in okay, so agekho low build and deployment. Na low source. Mele pages. Should be outdated the documentation. Anyway, okay. So now pages. GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal churches, host your personal organizational project pages from GitHub. Build and deploy Nango branch. Okay. So Bati, deploy from a branch. GitHub is currently to select a source below to enable for this repository. So saying Zotimina, master branch, mailing selective folder. So angit team umangbuga la angithi NLA tutorials. I'm selected a folder, NLA tutorials, and selected a folder. Okay. On a line. Available NLA tutorial, sorry. Timbula. Another folder. Okay. Check root. Root. /. Why ain't I 2025? Master branch docs. I don't have a folder based on my docs. Okay, I think nenze root for now. It is save. Okay. Get page hub sources custom domain and Gabina custom domain. It's fine. Okay, enforce visibility, start free trial. Read more about configuring publishing source. It's fine, that's fine. Root, it's fine. Ang probably that's fine. It could always be. So Agnankinga. Okay. So saying setile local visibility, it's fine. We instructions. So but and set it up. If you choose docs, it's fine. Troubleshooting. Publish from a branch already exists. Navigate to your site. Settings, build deployment. Do that. Select the folder. Click save. Save. Click here. Troubleshooting contains you need to if you choose docs. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. Into ebalulekile-ke so angibuye la angithi ngithe mina la ababuke uroot so ku-root wami angibuye la so i-root folder yami ile i-root folder yami ile uroot wami NLA tutorials nangu-root so into engizoyenza angithathe lama files ngiwakopishe ngiwabuyise la ku-root. So nangu images, nangu index, nangu my styles. Okay, and then ngizobuyisa lokhu ngapha sengisebenzisa u-git wami to push. So ls cd nla tutorials. So ngibi-folder yami lo NLA tutorials mengithi pwd athi ngithi okay pwd ngiyabona la users khumbuzo na ifolder yami. So mengithi git status, u-git ithuluzi alawisha ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphusha icode yami ku-GitHub. Okay, git status iyangikhombisa ukuthi ngimodifye ifile le nga-add nama-files. So one of the git commands is git add dot, ngithi add yonke into ekhona la, mase ngithi git commit. So ngicommit umsebenzi wami ukuthi ube ugcineke, ngiyawukhomitha. So ngithi commit, ngithi -m, umele umessage u-m, imessage yami ithi tutorial 32 imessage yami le. Okay, baje nama-files engichangeile, create. So ngikhomithe ku-git locally so that it knows i-version ye-code yami yomsebenzi wami. Ngisazofundisa kabanzi ngo-git. Ngithi mase ngithi git push, so sengiyayipush i-code yami manje iya ku-internet, iya ku-GitHub. Okay, siphushile, iyasho ukuthi ngiphushile ku-master, yaphusha kule URL NLA tutorials. Okay, so ufuna ukukhombisa nje quickly la uma ngithi okay, na ifile uyayibona la, nakho bayasho ukuthi now. So ngiyiphushe manje le code, basho labanye 3 months ago, kodwa le manje ngiyiphushe manje. So ungayimandi le file, it's a file created by default uma usebenzisa i-MacBook lo ds_store. I'm sure wawubona mhlambe kwi-USB, right? Iyo uthi uboleka i-USB yomunye umuntu uthole kunalo ds awazi one, ukhandeka automatically uma usebenza ngama-files kwi-MacBook. So by styles kubo index, izona zinto enginendaba kubo images. So i-index file yami isila. Okay, so sengithe mina deploy from branch, ngathi master branch. So mubuka la ngiku master na i-code yami yonke, master branch root. Okay, learn more about configuring customer domain angabi nandaba nayo, mase ngithi and learn how to do that. Sibona ukuthi yini lokho okwenzayo. Customizing a theme, anginendaba ne-theme. Mina ngifuna ukuthi inangizane yami ibe hosted. So ngenze njani, ngibuka kuphi, publish your first package. Nope, it's not what I'm looking for. Deployment 1, GitHub pages nakho. Okay, deployed na i-URL yami. Ngoba ngithe mina buka i-branch yami kuthiwa master, ngizazochaza ukuthi ama-branch yini. Ngase ngithi mina look at the root folder. Ku-root folder thola ama-files akhona and then you save them. So njengamanje iyaraneka leyo deployment, so I've deployed, right? Sengideployile ama-files amase-internet somewhere, ase-hosted. So ukuze atholakale nayi i-URL abanginika yona, ithi https://martinenterprises.github.io/NLA tutorials. Cela ubukisise kahle lo, uqhathanise nalo. Angithi yabo lo ugithub.com Martini Enterprises. Lo mumbuka https://martinenterprises.github.io. Ake sibone mase imklika. Uma umklika nali page lami la Facebook. So that means mina ngingathatha le URL ngithumelela yona njengamanje ku WhatsApp, right? Ngithumelela yona ku WhatsApp, right? Ngicela uklikhe le URL ubone ukuthi uma uyivula efonini yakho noma kuphi awaboni nama-files ami lawo ale website yami. So mengithanda angithi kuvela lokho So mengithanda ngingeza la Sublime Text, ngivule la i-folder, ukuthi open, ngi-open na kumele ungadideki, ngivule na i-folder yami. Okay, sengiyivulile. So nayi ifile yami index.html lo. Sengiyawuqamba ngithi mesengiza la ngizoyishintshela nje something la ku Facebook Connect. Sengithi mina Khumbuzo la okay, command control save, right? So ngishintshe ifile la locally, mengize la mengirefresha or kumele ngivule enye ifile la. So lo index wami usekho la, i-folder yami ukuthi index.html. Ngenxa yele file structure sami ngiyakhumbula NLA tutorials unalo images, uzoba no my styles no readme, my styles no index. So nangu index wami, nayi ifile yami. So ushintsho engilenza la kule file yami le, mase ngithi control save, mengireloada la nalo ushintsho. Okay, uma ngiza la kodwa kule URL abanginike yona, angithi yabo la ngiyareloada ushintsho alukho, because lama files lawa aku HTTPS banibani aba hosted. Angazi noma ngiyezwakala yini. Ngicela before ngithenge I domain name ngicheck ukuthi siya understandana yini. Ngicela ukucheck kulaba abakhona, ngicela ukucheck kulaba abakhona.
Kuyalandeleka noma kuzwakala ku-complicated kunalokho esisuka ngokho.
Okay. Abanye bathini? Basasekhona abantu noma bavele balala?
Nase sikhona silalele noma nje kunzima.
Yeah.
Yo. Kodwa
Okay.
sizobuka.
Yeah, okay. So into ebalekile unganaki the in between information. Ungazama understand yonke into. Bamba the key information. Nginama file akwi computer yami. Engithi mengwa edit mase ngwavula ngebrowser. Ngibona ushintsho engilenzile ngathi ngi-edit ifile. Sengithi mina le file le index.html etholakala kuSkhuma Matini njengoba ubuka ipage lami ku-users yabo ifolder yami file structure sami computer yami. Le file le sengifuna ibe accessible kwi-internet. So kumele ngikwazi ukuthi umuntu mengimnika i-URL, right, i-URL i-link lokusithi link uthi www.banibani, mengunika uthi uma uklik ubona ama files ami ngokuhluka kwawo. Kuningi okungenzeka in between, kodwa inhloso yami egcineni ukuthi lama files ami agcine ehleli accessible ku-internet. So ngingenza ukuthi mina i-computer yami umuntu a-connecte kuyo via the internet ngokwe-IP address. Kodwa ngachaza ngathi kunezizathu ezidala ukuthi i-computer yami angeke ngiyenze lokho ngoba ngingaphelelwa idatha, ngingadisconnecta, ingacima, ayikho available all the time. Ngathi kunabantu abadayisa leyo service ukuthi bona baba nama-computer avumela ukuthi ama-files ami ahlale kwi-hard drive yabo. Lawo ma-computer uma esekwenzile lokho, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngithole i-domain name noma ngithole i-IP address abazokunika yona bethi uma usufuna ama-files akho uzowa-accessa la uma ufuna ukuwabona, right, as eseva ngebrowser. So uGitHub ungamanye ama-companies angivumela ukuthi ngenze lokho, ukuthi ngibanika ama-files ami bangihostele wona mase benginika i-link yabo yokuthi cha ama-files uma uwadinga uzowathola la. Njengoba ubona benzile la bangikhandele i-domain, bona i-domain yabo ugithub.io. Lo Matini Enterprises uqhamuka ngami, but ngoba wona uMatini Enterprises ikhampani yakho iregister kanjalo la, sizokunika lo as a subdomain, kuthiwa i-subdomain under i-domain yethu, and then sizobuka i-folder structure yakho, sikunika ama-files njengokucela kwakho. Folder structure yakho siyazi ukuthi une-folder kuthiwa u-NLA tutorials, right? So nakho nempela maybe nginika le domain, ngiyawathola ama-files ami njengoba enjalo. Mina next time mengifuna ama-files eshintshe, kumele ngibe nendlela yokucommunicate no-GitHub, ngibatshele ngithi bengicela ungishintshela noma lama-files aduna ngicela uwa-override usebenzise lawa njengamanje. So njengoba-ke ngenzile, ngi-override ama-files ami, sekumele kube nendlela yokuthi manje ngiphushe ku-GitHub, ngibatshele ngithi mina nakho. So ukwenza kanjani lokho? Uza ngapha njengoba kade ngenza nga lokho kunididile, ngiyacabanga kunididile lokho ebengikwenza la o-git status bani 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 bani. Angizukugxila kukho, angizukubuyela kukho, kodwa kuyingxenye of mina ngicommunicate no-GitHub ngithi ngicela u-override lama-files manje uveze lawa i-version entsha yama-files ami. So u-GitHub ukhanda phezu kwalento ekuthiwa i-version control. So ngokushintsha kwama-version baveza i-version entsha kumuntu, njengoba wazi ukuthi uFacebook wangonyaka odlule awusafani noFacebook wamanje. I'm sure ukubona uma ungena, right? Iloko nje suke kumele ukwazi. The time banginike i-free hosting, right? The time sengihappy mina nokuthi bangihostelile ama-files ami, kodwa manje i-URL abanginike yona, banginike i-address engakhombisi ukuthi le mpahla le eyami yabo, isakhombisa ukuthi le mpahla ngiyibeke kwa-GitHub. Angithandi ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi le mpahla ngiyibeka ka-GitHub, futhi kunzima ukuthi abantu bakhumbule le nto. Cabanga lento ake sithi i-website eyi-CV yami, ngithi about me noma i-portfolio yami, kunzima ukuthi abantu bakhumbule le nto le. That is where now I buy a domain name, sengizo-attach-a, ngihambe ngiye ku-GitHub futhi, ngithi wena GitHub, ngicela ama-files ami uwaseva, wazi ukuthi uma le domain name ikubuza for lama-files, abantu beya kwi-domain name, uvume ukuba kunikeza ama-files. Angingakeze ukungena kulokho, angingenanga kukho, ngoba kuningi engikukhavarishile okungadida. Ngicela ukuma la, ngaphandle mekuwukuthi nithi some more, but ngicela ukuma la, sidle kahle sentshise, sidle kahle sentshise. Next time sibuya ngizobe sengithenga i-domain name, sengizobuya ngizo-attach. Angithi ubonile labashilo, sengizobuya ngizo-attach. Ubonile la ngathi ngiset up u-GitHub ukuthi bangibuzile, yebo, angikwazi ukuvula ifayile ngeke ngayivala. Control-Shift-T. Okay, uma ngithi la GitHub, github.com, ngikathi ngisetha la, ngiya kuma-settings ami, ngiwutshela u-GitHub ukuthi sengifuna ama-files ami, ngicela ungihostela wona, abantu bekwazi uku-access i-website yami. Bangibuzile la ku-pages, custom domain. So custom domains allow you to save your site from a domain other than martinaenterprises.github.io, and then I can configure it. So sengingaya ngiyobuka ukuthi ngingakwenza kanjani, but into ebalulekile ukuthi bona GitHub Pages, i-service abangiprovidela yona, is designed to host your personal, organizational, or project pages from a GitHub repository. I-GitHub i-repository ngachaza ngathi ilapho engisuke ngibeke khona ama-files ami, but sebathi bona u-GitHub Pages enye into esiyidizayine thina njengo-GitHub ukuthi ukwazi ukuhosta le hosting kade ngikhuluma ngayo, ukuthi ama-files manje ase-accesseka nge-browser ukuthi ubone ukuthi i-content yawo ithini, like i-displayeka kanjani. Kanti ekuqaleni u-GitHub, not GitHub Pages, u-GitHub ungibekela nje ama-files njengoba ukwazi ukuwabona la. I know it's a bit confusing, but it is another product that GitHub is selling, GitHub Pages. They provide this thing for you for free, ngoba vele ama-files asuke nabo, and then obviously you pay for ezinye izinto, right? So instead of nibonile kuno 100 rand per day wokhokhela hosting, instead of doing that ngithasenze la ku-GitHub. Ama-steps wonke sizowenza kahle mase nenza isikanye nami, ngizobe senginifundisa. Okay, so ngithi yabona kuno visit site, unpublished site. Angazi noma kuyazwakala, sengiphinde ngazama futhi. ukuchaza noma kuyazwakala yini. Izona zinto ezibalulekile kumele uyibambe lezo ukuthi okay, ama-files nginawo kwikhompyutha, uGitHub unginika i-service yokuthi ama-files ewathathe anginike i-domain, umuntu akwazi ukuthi abona i-website yami ngale domain. Noma uba phakathi kwethu ngakwenza ngoba bas-provide leyo service for free. Then usuzothi wena, angiyithandi i-domain name ukuthi bona banginikeze eyabo, futhi angeke bekunike enye ngoba vele bazoseva under i-domain yabo, bakunike ingxenye but bafana njengabantu abane-building, bathi wena nali i-flat ozohlala kulo, nali i-flat ozohlala kulo. Wena umuntu uma ekufuna uzonokha ethi room 3 yoba mina ngifuna umuntu azi ukuthi ngobe ngithola ngikule flat, ngifuna azi nje ukuthi ngisestradini ngikwi-internet, yabo. So you buy your own domain, uyibekele, uyipresente ngendlela yakho. Baba Nomani.
Kuya kuyalandeleka. Mhlawumbe umbuzo engawubuza nje ukuthi besides lama file kade siwenza, ungakwazi ukufaka for a business information.
Okay. Well, abanankinga.
Oh,
Abanankinga, you can make i-website. Onke lama website enaniwenza noma lama pages enaniwenza ngangithi mina ngisho ngenza i-page about yourself noma bani abanankinga.
okay.
Bona ba provider.
The other question, asikhathi uchaza indlela yoku transfera ama-files nama information. Ubale i-cable wasubala i-website. Uma usebenzisa u-Bluetooth ungena ngaphi?
Is another protocol. So it's starting to a protocol when it comes to changing information with computer environment. It's another protocol of transferring information, but it's for short distances.
Okay.
Same as infrared. Khona bawukhumbula sake saba to infrared.
Sasakabe nama-computer.
Amafoni lawa kudala yayisebenza i-internet. Mina ngithi Bluetooth protocol mhlawumbe ngiyibuze kanjalo i-internet. Right. Enables short range, low power, low cost, wireless communication between electronic devices. It's just a protocol.
Okay.
Right. So zonke lezi zinto siya understand siyazazi. Kukuthi kuthina kufika sekuthiwa nayi Bluetooth. Yabo. Hayi nangu share it. Share it, enable Wi-Fi, it's like, oh, share it. It's just understanding the computer, the underlyings of it. It's just a matter of what computer motherboard. In indlela eyiningi zokuthi uconnecte kuyo, ushare information.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Different protocols. So I want to IP, internet transfer protocol. Now, internet transfer protocol is a set of rules for data communication over the internet. It's just a protocol that dictates. So, with common examples including TCP/IP for general network communication and HTTPS for transferring web pages and other web resources. So generally, communicate with internet, usebenzisa TCP noma IP, the IP address adengisho. But specifically for our website, namanye ama resources usebenzisa HTTP and HTTPS. It's all protocols. So you can even use Bluetooth to transfer HTML file. It's just, yeah, obviously I can go deeper ngazama ukusimplify whenever ninembuzo. Kodwa ngihlezi ngizama ukuthi yeah, siyithathe nje lento nje we understand Hayi ukuthi uzwazi ama-technical term, uyi-understand, ukwazi ukuyibuka engqondweni yakho ukuthi, oh, awuyazi le nto, yabo, noma ungabanga too technical. So that's my goal. And ngiyafisa ukuthi sibe kanjalo. I know it can get complicated. I know it can get complicated. Khona omunye umbuzo?
Buzani nengalokho nibuza mina ngedwa lapha mase ngingedwa.
Mantshinga ukhona kodwa kezwakala sisibonisiwe. OZandile bavele banyamalala.
Hayi, kezwakala mineri ngikhona.
Okay.
Awu Mantshinga.
Awu Mpangazethe naphila baba.
Angisakwazi.
Ngikhona. Hayi kadukelwana umsebenzi, kuyagijima.
Kodwa
Yebo manje.
kwathiwa indoda eyodla ngey'nqumo zayo ey'thathayo.
Hayi umpela uyodla ngey'nqumo zakho uma wathatha iy'nqumo ezicindezelayo uyicindezela wena for good.
Kunjalo.
Yebo manje.
So bare minimum, uma nikhumbula kahle, ngasho ngathi uma umuntu engenayo 100 rand, umehluko kuwukuthi yena iwebsite yakhe izobe ingenayo i-domain name yakhe mhlawumbe ezothi Zandile noma ezothi Bonisiwe, kodwa uzobe kwazi ukuthatha i-link ayisherishe ukuthi mina nayo iwebsite engikhandile, usherishe i-link umuntu akwazi ukuyibona. So neyakho izoba kanje, ngathi sesukhandile uGitHub wakho, mhlawumbe yakhe izobe isho la, mhlawumbe ithi Bonisiwe, yabo, into kanjalo, mhlawumbe iyobe isho ukuthi Bonisiwe GitHub bani ibe ne-folder yakho sikwazi ukuyibona, yabo. Uma ukuthi kodwa ngithi yabo yasho ukuthi it's not a GitHub pages site, yabo, kodwa nje uzobe ukwazi ukusherisha ngoba neyami adithi la Martin Enterprises kanje, na uzobe ukwazi ukusherisha, yabo. Thathe lokhu sherishe la ku WhatsApp. So lo ozobe na 100 rand othi mina cha ngifuna i-domain name, sizoyithenga naye ngolesithathu, I reserve, and then mase senza naye abe na, yabo, nje mina yami mhlambe ngizothatha ngicheck la South Africa by, yabo, noma ngathi by domain name GoDaddy host Africa, okay, domains.co.za. So sengizothi mina Sikhumbuzo, sibone khona ni domain name sikhumbuzo.co.za already taken. Futhi khona umuntu ohlala kule ndlu le azuba yena lo, mengithi sikhumbuzo.co.za kuvela ini akho lutho. Futhi khona umuntu ovele wayithenga wayireserve ukuze mhla umunye ethi uyayithenga akhokhe kakhulu. Khona umuntu uyakwazi umuntu ukuthenga i-domain name mase wena umuthi uyayithenga athi uzokudayisela ngemali enkulu. So bengithi la Khumbuzo M mhlambe, yabo, uSikhumbuzo M is available, yabo, 100 rand, yabo. So uSikhumbuzo M.co.za u100 rand, Sikhumbuzo M.online 30 rand, yabo. Awajwayelekile ukuthi abantu bawafune kakhulu lama nanguzana ilokhu nje dot bani, yabo, u.com, yabo, basho ukuthi it's hot. So ukuthenga u.com uyesuka udura u300 rand. Sikhumbuzo store u80 rand. Khumbuzo m.org, so make for organization, for example Nomandla Leadership Academy organization.org, uyithenga izothi 189. Sikhumbuzo m.tech 80 rand, .xyz 20 rand. So isikhathi esiningi lama URL angama scam, I'm sure ukuwabona ukuthi anokuba nalo XYZ. I'm sure ngoba basuke befuna ungaspend imali bascam abantu futhi, so bathenga lama domain ashibhile. Angazi noma ulwazi luyadluliseka yini. So mase ngiyithengile mhlawumbe
Ezwakala.
ngiyithengile, so sikhumbuzo.co.za, add to cart, na i-cart yami ngithenga i-address, on the internet. Akho promo code bafuna 100 rand, sekumele ngicreate i-account, sengiyithengile, ngikhokhe ngifaka ama-card details sengiyithengile. Sengiyabuya ngiza ngaka ku-GitHub ngithi mina instead of ukuthi wena GitHub unginikele le website athi unginikana nale, ngifuna abantu manje baye kule website le domain engiyithengile, ngizobe sengiconfigure. Alright, so lasibonane Wednesday. Nithi kuyokwentshisa okwanamuhla. Mina nombuzo soqala ngayo imibuzo Wednesday siqhubeke siphambili. And then think mase ngithengile i-domain name ngizobe sengikufundisa ukuthi from scratch ke wena ngoba unama files kwi-computer yakho, how do you start ukuthi uzogcina ekuthenini uphushe kuye ku GitHub. Alright, ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga nathi.